NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Awards for outstanding community service roofing projects to the following two companies: Springtree Restoration and PROCO Roofing. Springtree Restoration won in the community service category for its Jones project. A widowed elderly female on a fixed income was referred to Springtree Restoration after experiencing a sad yet increasingly common story. Ms. Jones was convinced to pay up front for a new roof by a door-to-door contractor, who took the money and ran. Out $7,000 and still in need of a roof, she was referred to Springtree Restoration. And after hearing her story and learning that financing wasn't an option, Springtree reached out to other local roofing companies and suppliers. A few weeks later, Springtree Restoration, D&H Roofing, and McCoy's of Gainesville partnered and pooled resources to provide Ms. Jones a new roofing system at no cost. Springtree Restoration would like to thank D&H Roofing and McCoy's Building Supply, who were instrumental in making this community service project possible. PROCO Roofing won in the community service category for its Easy Street project. In the middle of a pandemic, the owner of this home had fallen on hard times and was faced with a leaky old roof, but had no way to financially afford the installation of a new one. After reaching out to PROCO Roofing for options and a solution, PROCO was determined to help the homeowner. Partnering with Atlas, PROCO completed the roof quickly and smoothly, bearing the financial burden for the owner in order to bring peace of mind and a safe, new, long-lasting roof over their heads. PROCO Roofing would like to thank ABC Supply for their help making this project possible. Congratulations to our Community Service Golden Hammer Award winners.